Hey guys, this is Roxy. Welcome back to my channel. In the first video of this series, I talked about how you can leverage dropshipping platforms to test out your ideas and the products you pick. And in the second one, I focused on how you can do marketing for your business. So in today's episode is the last, but the most important one. And I'm going to elaborate on both, but from a different angle, a more practical angle. Why and how to promote your dropshipping store. First, why dropshipping? A dropshipping store is a perfect choice for new entrepreneurs. It saves your worries on delivery, even if you don't have stocks. With the dropshipping store, you can test at a low cost whether the product you select would meet your customers' needs and be well received. In addition, it's also an easy way to attract customers. After you have in mind what your brand image and brand position would be and have a dropshipping store in place, the next step is to get traffic to your goods. Traffic is everything. As for dropshipping, we usually increase traffic through ads on social media or invite internet celebrities, or I would call them influencers. But to figure out the most effective way to advertise your products, you need more tests. And here comes the question, test what? Test your products to find the most profitable ones. In most dropshipping stores, it's usually a few products that make up the majority of sales. Therefore, testing is an important step to find out your winning products, namely the ones that are popular among customers and bring you the most profits. These hot products will cheer you up and give you the faith to go on. When we are looking for the potential hot products, if one certain product hasn't been sold well for a long time, we should give up on it decisively. We can switch to another. This can be an exhausting process before we finally find the winning products, but don't give up. The results will be worth the effort. Why do we need quick tests? The answer is actually simple, because time is money. If your ads cannot reach your customers or get traffic to your products as soon as possible, you're losing money every day. And this will practically pile pressure if your budget is limited. But again, even though there's a risk of loss, testing is still essential. And a quick test is even more so. A quick test is the most effective way to know if a certain product would be a winning product. So, how to do a quick test and how to promote your dropshipping store. Of course, you can send the products or the link of your store to your friends, ask them to pass it around through their circles and repost it here and there. But you need a big enough traffic to test out your product, and inner circle is not going to be enough. The easiest way would be using Facebook or Instagram. Instagram is actually easier as Facebook, it's too competitive. There are so many ads running on it at the moment, and Facebook advertising system is not really friendly for beginners. The first step is to figure out your product's ideal niche market, and this will help you find targeted consumers. After making this clear, you can start to connect internet celebrities or influencers in line with your budget. 1 to 3 influencers are proper for the start, and their fan groups don't need to be too large. I would say 30 to 80,000 fans are just proper. For the popular influencers are too busy to reply to your invitation. In addition, if you want to try quick testing via Instagram with a limited budget, then you're recommended to spend less than $20 per post. It would be better if the engagement rates of the influencers you connect with are higher than 3%. Then how do we know when the test should be ended? Check the comments of the influencer's post related to your product to see if there are any positive ones. Then check the PV or page views. What customers have done on your product page, whether they added into their shopping cart, how many of them placed an order, etc. All these are very relevant and valuable data. In case you don't know how to track this data, you're recommended to install heat map websites to have a glimpse at the visitor's action. I use Hotjar personally and I'm trying out still, and by the way, there's a free version of it. I'll leave the link in the description box below. After I started my business in China, dropshipping helped me find my business position and targeted customers, and now my business have grown into an indie brand. Recently, I also started to do cross-border e-com, and dropshipping is still my first choice. I hope you find this entrepreneurship series useful, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Wish you all great success, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!